So guys, this credit designer. So today we'll just be doing random designs just to keep you on track. Let's just skip this. So guys, we'll be making use of ChatGPT to create our text prompt. Then we'll be using Nano Banana to create our images. So I didn't write any prompt for this because I want to show you guys how you can go from just creating a text prompt and getting good results. So we'll be creating a random church flyer. So write me a prompt to create a flyer for a church. Okay, let's just for a church let's add for a church using Koza sample, making it professional and modern, attractive, modern, attractive. Sorry, I put using modern, attractive typography and color. Make the best preference. Now, this prompt is already generated. Yes, because AI is an automated machine, so everything which is online is accessible to this AI within split of seconds. So now this is what we're going to be doing. I could generate this image, but it won't have the quality we want. Okay, so let's just, since we are just creating something random so that you could really understand what we're doing. So now let's say create, yes, this is an Gemini.google. So now I've already pasted the prompt which was created by ChatGPT. Let's go back. I want to readjust this prompt. Adjust the prompt, adding a male and a female, singer, raising one hand to heaven in a form of worship with their eyes closed. Now you can see I'm interacting with AI. This is not something difficult, just let it out. Yes, so let's go back to see what. Now you can see this is the flyer I created. Koza Church welcome. You can see you can add a lot of things and you can subtract a lot of things from this, but let's go back. It has adjusted our prompt, so let's copy and see. So now let's go back. Now create. Guys, there is nothing difficult here. Just start from the basics, like how I'm doing. Just a random flyer with write-ups. Then you can actually know how to come up with something something much more difficult and more stylish. Yeah, so let's see. Now you can see the difference between the first prompt and the second prompt. Now I want to add something to this other image without altering anything. I want the female to hold a mic with the other hand that was not lifted up. So now I just want to show you guys how you can adjust these images. Now just see, we went from this just a plain write-up typography on a plain surface with a little bit of stylish design. Then we went up to this with a professional nice looking design and stylish write-ups. Now see what we are changing it to right now. Just, it won't be much of a change because we are just adjusting, readjusting this second image, making her hold a mic with her hand. So let's see, you can see, yes. So guys, this is something so easy that you can just start from the basic. And if you're just watching us for the first time, it's Credit Design. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be the first to get notified once we upload a tutorial video. Now if you are having difficulties and you have access to my WhatsApp group, you can DM me directly, and when I'm chanced, I will reach back to you. Also you can comment on our YouTube channel. Yes, just comment on our YouTube channel. This is our difficulty, that is, and if you are among the first 5 persons who comment on our YouTube tutorial, we'll have to attend to your need and put it out there. So guys, it's Credit Design. Do have a wonderful day.